I am just about sure that this is a juvenile red-bellied woodpecker. I looked at my bird book, and this seems like the best match. The tan head is indicative of red-bellied woodpecker young, the juveniles. There is a little bit of spot of red on the top of the head, like they would have as adults, but you know, it's kind of looks like a juvenile's without the full color. So I, never got a picture of something like this before, so I'm enjoying it. And then after you get tired of looking at the woodpecker and it's foraging pretty heavily in that old tree, I'm gonna show you a ladybug from my garden.